How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted contacts from Android phone. So the first thing you want to do is open up the phone app, and in the top right beside the magnifying glass you'll see three dots. Press them. That'll bring up this drop down menu. You want to select recycle bin. So anyone that you delete from your contacts will then automatically go to the recycle bin, which can be seen here. And contacts in the recycle bin will permanently be deleted after 30 days. So you press on the contact, and if you want to get them back in your contacts, you just press the restore button in the bottom left. So as you can see, contact restored, and there they are in our contacts again. So that's how to recover deleted contacts from an Android phone. Thank you for watching.